Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring how Textmagic's BYOC feature can help you reduce business texting costs and streamline communication workflows, all in just a few minutes. First, let's connect our CPaaS provider to Textmagic. From your Textmagic dashboard, go to Messenger Settings, and select BYOC. Click Connect a CPaaS provider. Choose your provider, enter the API credentials, and select the virtual numbers to connect. Add a label to keep things organized and click Link Numbers. Congratulations! You've connected your provider and numbers. You can add multiple CPaaS accounts from the same or different providers. You're now ready to send texts. Head over to the Compose page. Add recipients manually or select them from contacts. Type your message or use templates for a personal touch. Ready? Send your message now or schedule it for later. To keep track of your conversations and reply to messages, use the Messenger page. Here you can also send MMS and let AI help you with summaries of your interactions or reply suggestions. Are your messages being rejected? Here are some issues that may be preventing you from sending texts and how to resolve them. Your number is not 10DLC or toll-free verified. You are trying to send text messages to an unsupported destination country. Your messages are blocked for containing spam or prohibited content. If one of these instances applies to you, you'll get a link to messaging logs in your CPaaS provider account to see the rejection reason. Resolve these issues with your provider to use our integration. Want to set your connected number as the default sender for one or several of your destination countries? Navigate to Messenger Settings, then Sender Settings. Click Edit and select your provider's number. After setting this up, all messages to your selected countries will be sent from your provider's number. Of course, you need to make sure that the number you are setting as the default is country compliant for the region in which you want to send messages. You can do this by checking the number's country's compliance with your provider. For other settings, go back to Messenger Settings and BYOC, click More, and then Settings. Edit labels, update login credentials, link more numbers, or even disconnect the provider if necessary. Want to answer calls to your CPaaS number on the go from your personal device? To set up call forwarding, go to the Messenger Settings section, click on the Numbers tab, and enable call forwarding from your provider's number to another number that you define. That's it. You've now mastered using the Textmagic BYOC service. Start sending texts with your CPaaS provider on our platform today. Explore more on our website and stay tuned for more tutorials.